What's good, Tech Buds team, and all those new viewers checking out my channel for the first time? I'm Robinhood Harley, back at you again. What my channel focuses on is two things. Basically, all those beginning in the stock market and want to learn how to trade, and anybody that uses that Robinhood hat. I help a lot in assisting on how to use and manage your account through Robinhood. Today's video is going to be very simple. I'm going to start off by going over my last video that I did for you about a week ago. I offered two tickers there. That was both Ford and Nevson. So I want to give you an update on those and where I stand currently with those two positions. For the second half of this video, I'm going to offer two other stocks that I see some potential in for the second half of February and as we ride into the month of March. So let's dive right into it. Let's pop that Ford up on that screen. So let's check out that pattern right away. If you notice, guys, it really hasn't had much push yet since my last video. We're still waiting for that confirmation above $11. Right, so I actually haven't taken a position in Ford just yet. My buy-in point is going to be about $11.15. That's where I'm looking to invest into Ford. Obviously, this is a big company, so it's very low risk when investing into a company like this. The exit point that we're looking for here is about $12. It does have some potential to raise up to about $12.30, but I think my conservative exit point here is going to be right about $12. So that's going to offer a profit margin of about 6.5% on that one. So let's check out that second ticker that I offered, NSU, that's Nevson. Last week it was trading around $2.12 when I did make that call out. We did experience a nice push on that one. It highs of about $2.30 there, and now it's had a slight pullback in the past couple of days. So it may drop down to about $2.16 at its lowest, but then I expect for it to then push back up and hopefully see that rise all the way up to about $2.39, $2.40. That's where I want to be exiting on that position. All right, so let's watch that one closely. I think this one will be pushing up a lot quicker than that Ford that I offered. So with that update out of the way, let's give you two new stocks that you can look into and see if you value any potential within them. The first one, we've got a crowd pleaser right here. It's going to be Southwest Airlines. That ticker symbol, LUV. Show me that love. All right, so this one, guys, it did experience lows of about $56.20. I think it was the lowest that it's seen in the past 180 days. But it is starting to push back up. Okay, so what my entry point of this one, I want to be waiting towards about $59. That's where I'm looking to invest in Southwest, $59. That's going to show us that confirmation that the uptrend pattern is happening. All right, so even though that it's seen highs of $67 within the past 180 days, I'm setting my exit point on this one of about $65, maybe a little bit higher than that. Even at that exit point, it's going to offer us 9.3%. Right, that keeps it conservative, makes we're locking down profits, and we don't have to worry about losing that profit if we try to push it to that $67 mark. So one thing with Southwest Airlines is that it's going to be a true swing trade. The last time it did bottom out and then pushed all the way up, it took about 29 to 30 days, a full month there for it to actually experience its full potential. So you may have to be holding this for the next month if you do see value in Southwest. So let's keep that in mind. It's not going to be a day trade. It's not going to be a two-day thing. It might take you that full month to get all the way up there to that $65 exit point that I have outlined for you guys. So my second stock I see value for the second half of February as we go into March is going to be Crescent Point Energy Corporation. So that's ticker symbol CPG. So recently it did experience lows of about $6.87. And currently it actually traded today at about $7.18. So it has seen some rise since it bottomed out. But my buying point on this one is me set at $7.30. That's where I feel comfortable and where I see that confirmation for CPG. My exit point on this one, we're going to be rating all the way to $8.70. So in comparison to Southwest, this is obviously going to be a cheaper stock to get into, but it also is going to be a riskier stock, right? So let's keep that in mind. But with risk comes opportunity. If you get at that buy-in point of $7.30 and we are able to ride that out all the way to $8.70, that's going to offer us a 16.3% profit margin there. So that's pretty sweet. Let's hopefully that does happen, but let's keep an eye on this one as well. It's going to be another swing trade, so it might take you that full month to actually see that full potential. So hopefully you did like these two stocks that I've thrown your way. If you did, let's hit that like button. Let's subscribe if you don't already. And also check out that last video so you can get a more in-depth breakdown of both Ford and Nevson that I went over last week. Thanks for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, you're more than welcome to join that free networking group that we offered. That's Tech Buds. That's going to be that first link down. That's going to be a free networking group that offers anything related to investments, right? So it's free to join. Has a lot of insight there. Also, that second link down is going to get you a free stock within your Robinhood account. So it gets you basically free money. Let's sign up, use that link. With any of my videos and any calls that I do make on certain stocks, let's make sure that you're doing your own research so you have that confidence before taking any position, right? Don't just invest in a stock because I say so or because I see value. You also have to have the eye for it. You also have to have the value for it as well. But hopefully these 2 additional stocks will offer us some potential as we head into March and we try to chase that green.